Hello everyone, you're watching Motor of Heart, and the reason behind creating this video is that I'm going to install auxiliary lights for my Royal Enfield Himalayan. So I have decided to use HJG 60 watt auxiliary lights, which are the LED lights, and they can be converted into the fog lights when you want to use as a fog light. So that kind of a light I think would be a beneficial for my Royal Enfield Himalayan. Well, I'm going to install that auxiliary lights on my fork because as you know, Himalayan has a fixed headlight, and whenever you move the handlebar of this motorcycle, the main headlight is fixed, so you can't see anything whenever you move your handlebar. So that's why there are many options when you can mount that auxiliary lights on your guard also, main guard also, and you might use this part also, to mount that auxiliary light. But I think the fork position is a more better position in my opinion. So that's what I'm going to do today. So you may think why I'm going to install these auxiliary lights. Well, as everyone knows, the Himalayan does not offer you a good stock headlight. This has a halogen bulb in it. It is decent for short roads in an urban environment, that is fine. But when you go long ride, when you ride for a long ride, you ride on highway, you ride in very dark scenarios, this is not a ample amount of headlight. So I mean, this does not give you ample amount of vision. So definitely the auxiliary light as a must for Himalayan. Now let's go there and I will show the installation procedure, and at the end of the video I will tell you the cost required to install these auxiliary lights. These are the HJG auxiliary lights, and each having 60 watts, so total of 120 wattage. There are two models. This is a new one model which is two bulbs are clear lens, and this is a complete all clear lens wala model. So you can choose any one of them. I had option, so I choose clear lens one, and this is the clamp on my fork on which the fog light will be installed. So they have started the installation procedure, and for that they have to remove my tank and seat, and they will install the harness and relay kit to my battery. They have installed fuse in the circuit to prevent any mishap, and this is the relay kit. And this is the switch through which I will be operating the lights. So let's test our new auxiliary lights. Now it's nearly dark, and this is my stock headlights in low beam, and now these are the auxiliary headlights. These are the stock, low beam, high beam, low beam, and these are the auxiliary lights. So comment below what you think about the what are your thoughts about this auxiliary lights.